This Century 21 Cornelis-Simpson Incorporated property video is presented by Janice Marino. What a great home! Screened-in porch goes across the front of this home, with cellars leaving the wicker swing and furniture. The walk-up attic is ready to be finished. Laundry is on main level with new washer and dryer staying. Basement has high ceilings and been waterproofed along with a radon mitigation system. Home has new roof and gutters, new blinds, carpet, kitchen floor, garbage disposal, and programmable thermostat. All appliances stay and refrigerator is also new. Bathroom has been updated with both shower and tub. Garage has new roof and kickout allowing a larger truck to park inside. Fireplace is wood burning but hasn't been used in over 15 years. Backyard features include a deck and